Submitting documents to Steam for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Create a Steam account. Visit the Steam website and create an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Log into your Steam account and navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your username in the top right corner and selecting account details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Locate document submission section. In the account settings, look for a section related to account verification or document submission. This may be labeled as account verification or submit documents. Step 4. Prepare your documents. Gather the necessary documents that Steam requires for account approval. This may include identification, proof of address, or other relevant documents. Ensure that they are clear and legible. Step 5. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your documents. Make sure to double-check that you have selected the correct files before submitting. After submission, you should receive a confirmation message. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for additional information from Steam. Good luck with your account approval.